Hello guys, how are we going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a clothing haul. I know oh my god, my battery is about to die. Kill me now. So I'm back. Obviously you guys wouldn't know the difference, but there is, and the lighting is gone and I'm so sad. Anyways, doing a Glassons haul. As you guys know, it's an Australian brand and I'm so excited to be filming this because I got a whole bunch of stuff the other day, but I also just got another package from them that I ordered, so I'm super excited and I'll be opening it here with you guys. And you can't see my head, that's lit. Let's jump into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also what's it called? Add me on Instagram because I post all the time, or I try to. I'm not very good at it, but I try. Okay, I give it a go. This is the first one I'm just going to start off with, seeing as I've got it on. And it's just like a mustard, just a mustard cropped shirt. And I absolutely love it. It's so nice and comfortable. It's not too thick and not too thin. It's like just the right amount of material. It's like very versatile for like the seasons, and it's like a bit see-through, so you can wear like a really nice like bralette underneath, and I really think that's really cute. The next item that I got was a pair of jeans, which I think are so staple in a wardrobe. And I'm going to shut my door so you don't have any... Oh, sorry kitty. Oh my god, I like nearly killed her. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I think it's like a really staple thing to have a pair of jeans in winter. If you didn't know, in Australia it's winter. And so I got a pair of jeans. These are just mum jeans, and I think these are so cute. I love the colour, and they have a ripped on each side. I never really like rips, but these are really nice, even though they're stretching and they're getting a bit clumped, but that's okay. And they have like a bit of de-stressing on the back and on the bottom as well, but I really... Okay, so they're a bit long. I'm very short, so I usually... Oh, my nose is running. That's an issue. And my hair's all like funky. What are you? You're not. I don't want you there. Ow! I usually roll them just at the bottom because I am a shorter girl, and this is way too long. Really good quality. I think these are really good material. The next item I also... Ooh, stay there. I also got a cropped knit sweater. I couldn't think of what it was. I think this is awesome. It has really nice long arms. It is such a good material. I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable, and it's like just the right amount of thickness where it's not too thick but it's not too thin, and you can wear it out, and it's not too holey, so you can wear it, and if you go in the wind you don't get absolutely chilled to death because it's too thin. It's just the right amount, and I just really love it. It's so comfortable, so easy to wear, and yeah, I just love it. Such a good and such a simple staple for winter. Like, you can wear it with anything. And I love it with the jeans, with the belt, and like boots. It's just amazing. Another thing that I also got from Glassons is just this nudie, peachy colour dress, I think, or like nectar. Is it nectar or apricot, maybe? I'm not good with colours. It's long, it has a slit in the side, it has a really nice, simple, low back. And I absolutely love it, but I feel like when I wear it, I feel nude because it's like nearly the same colour as me. And I just realised I like fit in the background of the wall. That's also cool. But I don't know, I just feel like it's just... I love it. Like, I love it. It'd be cool for winter, even though it's coming into winter. Probably not the best thing to wear, but like you can wear it with a jacket, pair of boots, you know, warm it up a bit. And you can also do the same with the next dress that I got as well. It's just a black one with all these cute like little buttons all down. pockets, it's linen, it's just like really cute and I love it. I just think it's amazing and it's such a different dress from what I'd usually buy. Even this one, I'd never usually buy something like that. It's meant to be knee length, but it comes down to my ankles, as you'll see in the little try on bit. But I love it. I think it's so cute and you can dress it up with a bomber jacket. I think it will be really cool. Denim jacket. I think it's just really cute. I can just wear it by itself. Either or. And then I also picked up the other day just this little like cropped shirt, I don't know, like a bra thing. It's just really cute, looks really nice. It's like, I think it's like, it looks navy blue, but then it also like looks like black, so I can't really tell, but it's a colour. It cost me $5, so like, I can't complain there. Hey, yay, let's get on to my parcel. I think I just showed my address, so hopefully you don't find where I live. Anyways, so I haven't opened this package yet. I only just did it just then. I am so excited. I see red. I actually don't remember what I ordered, so oh, did I order a lot? So I ordered 4 things. I actually don't even remember ordering this. Let's find out. So I just see red. Oh yes, I remember now. Wow, that looks really big. Uh-oh. So I got, by the looks of it, oh yeah, no, that'll fit. I got like, there's plastic in it, and I don't like that. Get out. I got just like a simple red cropped top. These straps feel, oh, it's like that stuff when we, oh, where is that from? This reminds me so much of like a material like this strap of like when I was a child, and I just can't remember what it's called. This is really cute, like burgundy red. I love red at the moment. I don't know why. I'm loving red and this yellow color. It's just something that I'm obsessed with at the moment. I don't know why. As I said before. Wow, I'm having a shocking day today. Like, I just can't figure out what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so, but the straps are extremely long, so I might be showing a little boobish. Oh look, it's the same colour. Hopefully I didn't get the same thing. Can you imagine? Actually, it looks a bit more oranger. Oranger? Is that even a word? Okay, so it's like another cropped. No, it's not. That's not cropped. It's cut though. It's like a cut look. Wow, it looks like I could fit 2 people in this. Like, look. Oh my god. I don't even know why I got this. I don't even need this. But, anyways. It's a nice material. I do like it, but I just can't think of why I got that. So I got 2 black items. So I'm going to go... I just can't remember what I bought. We'll go... Let's see what we got. Ooh, it feels really nice. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I remember. I got this, like, nice black long shirt, and it's got, like, a different kind of look to it. It has, like, material that comes down here. You can't see it, but there's, like, a line of material that falls down the middle of, like, the shirt on both sides, and then it, like, scallops. It has like a scallop look, so like when you put it on it would be like that, and it's really soft. Oh, it's actually really soft. I really like that. And I liked it when I looked on the model. I was going to get white as well, but I just thought, like I like white, but like I'm deadly with white. I'm so dangerous with white. I dirty it so quickly. But I really don't know what this is. I just don't know, baby. Wow, so, I started opening it where normal people open it, but I ended up opening it halfway through as well. So, if I wanted to return that, that could be a oh, yes, I remember now. These are pants, because I need pants, and I never buy pants. I got these. I saw these. Oh, okay, so I know why I bought these. Is because I saw them on the girl when I bought these. No. Bought these online, that's an issue. Okay, oh my god. I saw a girl wearing these pants when I bought my jeans, and I really liked them. They looked really nice on her, and I went, oh my god, she has thick legs, big butt, small waist. And I thought, if she can wear those, I can wear them. So we'll find out if I can wear them. But it has a tie up here at the front, and they're just stretchy waist. So obviously if I need it smaller, I can. Oh, maybe I'm not. Has a little button there. That's cool. These pants, I didn't think they were going to fit, but these are amazing. They have so much. I probably could have got smaller in the waist, but these are perfect length, and I even have extra leg room. Like, are you kidding? That never happens. They are like perfect. They even have leg room. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. And then they have, do they have pockets? They have pockets. And then they're just like this flowy kind of pair of pants. Just black, stapled. Hopefully, how do you, is it culotte? Shallot? No, shallot's a vegetable.
Okay.
Culottes? I think they're culottes. And they're just like really flowy kind of pants. And I love them. So hopefully they fit. And hopefully they're not too long on my long, that's on my long ass legs, my short ass legs, because I have so many issues because I have short legs. It's the end of this haul. It wasn't very long, or was it? But I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will link all these items down below if I can find them. Obviously, if they're on sale, they're probably not on sale anymore, but I can still link them down below for you guys to check them out. And yeah, that's kind of it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.